Civmec, Matagarup Bridge arches and decks fabrication, painting and transportation. Steel fabrication and modularisation for the project was brought back to WA when the overseas fabricator was unable to complete the job after working on it for almost 2 years. With a project at significant risk, Civmec's highly skilled and dedicated workforce was engaged to deliver the works within an extremely challenging delivery time frame. Civmec's specialist expertise was employed to undertake the steel fabrication, painting and transportation of the Matagarup Bridge's arches and decks, utilising several local fabricators and subcontractors. In November 2017, the WA government approved a new design for the bridge, with the new WA-made steel arches being brought to the forefront. This meant the steel was now visible and required more detailing and finishing. Transporting the fabricated steel components from Henderson to the project site at Burswood represented a significant challenge, especially the massive arch modules. Over 70 individual loads of steel, materials and equipment was delivered to site. Water Corporation, Georgiou Group and BG&E Ellenbrook water tank. With a diameter of 91 metres and height of 13 metres, the 80 million litre Ellenbrook water tank is the largest tank in the Southern Hemisphere. Designed by BG&E and constructed by Georgiou Group, the main tank structure is a pre-stressed concrete construction with an in-situ bi-directionally post-tension base slab with precast, pre-stressed wall panels. A lightweight steel roof is supported on 13 internal precast columns. There is also 6 kilometres of large diameter water main and a chlorination dosing building. In a first for Water Corporation, the Ellenbrook tank has a vertically tapered tank wall, improving material utilisation without compromising on durability or functionality. Some 80 precast panels constructed in-house by Georgiou were stitched in situ and post-tensioned to form the tank wall. The base slab was constructed in a monolithic 92-metre diameter pour, with concrete continuously placed over an 11-hour period involving 110 personnel, 4 concrete pumps and 30-plus concrete trucks on turnaround. Maritime Constructions, design and construction of Burswood Public Jetty. The Burswood Public Jetty concept design, provided by the Department of Transport, involved 3 floating pontoon berths, connected to onshore concrete abutments by large structural steel members. The pontoons could not be restrained by driven piles, as would normally be the case, due to environmental and heritage concerns. The pontoons were braced back to abutments on shore due to the no-piling design approach. To control the forces being imparted on the abutments, the design of the interface between the bracing arms and the concrete abutment adopted a very low friction, high wear bearing. The river reprofiling works required constant water quality monitoring to ensure marine flora and fauna were not adversely affected. The on-water pontoon installation and the riverbed reprofiling works were completed quickly with strict environmental safeguards observed. No environmental incidents were reported and river water quality safe limits were not exceeded. WA Limestone Contracting, HMAS Stirling, Stage 3A Redevelopment Maritime Structures Remediation. Remediating the 4-kilometre-long Garden Island Causeway involved importing and placing over 100,000 tonnes of rock. WALC achieved its target completion date while also increasing its scope of repairs on the structure by 40%, a formidable achievement. Significant challenges and technical complexities included the lack of work laydown areas, strict work times available to complete the works, difficulty in moving rock safely to and from the worksite, and dealing with unexpected latent conditions. The work area restriction was solved by adopting a new side-on construction technique, utilising the space to the side and diagonally from the work front, while also ensuring traffic could safely pass the excavator while working. A safe and space-efficient method of tipping and transferring the rock was devised using side tippers and temporary excavations. The lack of work time was resolved through efficient traffic management and construction techniques to ensure that time at the workfront was maximised.